Welcome to Latitude App's SAFT tutorial. In this video, we'll show you everything you need to know about SAFT verification. For SAFT verification, we access the Latitude App platform, open RO SAF-T Check, and here we have the Start Check button. We can upload the SAFT return we want to verify in XML format. We select the XML file and give the dataset a name. For monthly or quarterly SAFT returns, we can also upload D100, D300, D390, D394, or the SAFT return from the previous period, so the system can run checks between the uploaded SAFT return and these filed returns. For the annual SAFT return, there is no need to upload these files, because the annual return does not contain data that can be reconciled with the other returns on the list. Now we'll upload D300, D390, and D394 as an example. In step 3, we need to specify what we want the application to do. First, generate the correlations file, convert the return into Excel format, and validate it in DUK Integrator. Then we click Start Process. Once the status is complete, we can download the generated files from the Actions section. In Actions, we have a button to download the uploaded source files. Here we also have the correlations file, the SAFT return converted to Excel, and if the return validates in DUK, we can download the PDF of the SAFT return. If it doesn't validate in DUK, we can download the validation errors file. We'll download the correlations file and the Excel conversion file for review. In the SAFT Check dashboard, you can see all the checks you've performed, which steps were selected, whether compute correlations was selected, shown as yes, the VAT code of the company for which the check was run, the verified period, the type of return, monthly or annual. In this case, it's monthly. For an annual return, it would show A, who uploaded the return, and the date when the verification was performed. The Excel conversion of the SAFT return from XML looks like this. We have an index, then all the sections of the return converted into Excel format. And here we can find all the data that we submitted to an F. For correlations, we download the correlations file, which includes a dashboard showing the tests where differences were identified, as well as details for each individual section. You'll also see detailed checks at line level for each transaction, so you can pinpoint exactly where the differences are. Ready to make compliance easy and stress-free? Contact us today and see just how easy it is to check your SAFT declaration quickly and efficiently.